Toasties here, and I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try, you know, the live voiceover instead of recording it over silent clips. So, if you hear a bunch of like cars and buses, that's because I don't have a mic, so bear with me with this video and all the background noises. Oh, so today I will be doing a hair tutorial, yay! So here it is. I'm gonna stay silent for this part and I'm just gonna speed through making the base. Alright, now that the base is done, we are... Okay, cars, I get it. You guys are loud. Okay, so... and there's a bus. This is why I don't do live recordings, but we're gonna do it today anyway. Alright, so we have our base. I'm just gonna... This hair, I'm gonna say it's gonna be similar to mine. Like, pretty long to medium hair with, like, no bangs. So let's start. We already have our rough sketch here, and we have a general size of the head. So now we're gonna make the hairline. I usually make, as I've shown on my first tutorial post on how to draw faces, I showed that I draw hairlines, and they're pretty straight, and I'm very aware that people don't have, you know, I mean, at least a lot of people, you know, having straight hairlines is like not really natural. But for this one, I always do straight hairlines for guidelines because it makes it easier to get like the general size of the forehead. So here's the hairline. If you want to, you can like give them a widow's peak too, you know, whatever you want to do. Let's give her like a widow's peak then, so we have like more variety. So widow's peak, from what I'm aware of, they like do that, right? And that's where we're gonna have our this thing. I don't know what that's called. Wherever the part of the hair is, yeah. So when it comes to hair, you start from the top, obviously, and don't go so hard. Don't be so rough with it. Just go with the flow and don't like put so much pressure on the paper. So let's start here. We're gonna make it like that like little dip, if y'all see it. And I'm just gonna go with what I feel is right. Yeah, that seems about right for me. And sometimes I'll add like that thing, you know, messy hair and all. Yeah, don't hold, just sketch. Alright, so now after I have like that part, or I know I want the part, I do this thing to kind of show the direction of the hair, and once I reach the top where I want it, I draw it out and I follow the head, right? And I don't have like really round ones. It's usually flat in this area, and so we're just gonna move down, you know, we just draw an arrow that way and just go with the flow. Really, there's not really the best way to describe this because I kind of just do it. Whatever goes into mine, I just go for it, and if I don't like it, like I said, I'll just erase it. Okay, we got that. Got the left side of the hair. Now let's do this part. So let's give her that little thing again. So whenever I do like hairlines, I like always draw like rough things to show that those are actually hair strands. A lot of curves, unless you want really straight hair, and you're gonna do, depending on your art style. My art style is usually really wavy, kind of go with the flow. When it comes to like bust shots and head shots, it's pretty flowy. But when I do full bodies, it's like super stiff, and I have to practice that. second part. And now we're gonna add this this little side part. I go towards the hair. I don't know why I do that, but it just looks nice. Then I'm just gonna add some more wisps. Maybe some like these gaps to show that they're like separated. Yeah, now that you have your rough sketch of what you want, I'm going to erase the seam hairlines. Okay, after that, oh actually, let me erase this thing because I wanted that to kind of go over the shoulder a little bit. And the shoulder just comes off there. Yeah. Alright. Now we got that. We're going to darken the lines. So alright, I'm probably like smudging hella. I actually have that on the side of my hand. It's okay. Let's erase this. Alright. I like being really messy with my sketches, as you can see. Bam. Okay. We got that. We're gonna add some detail to the hair. Here is the final product. I'd like to take this moment to say thank you so much for 1.86k subscribers. I've seen my channel grow pretty well. Like it's caught me by surprise to see how well my YouTube channel has been doing. So I'd like to say thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you guys like this video, if you guys like the drawing, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, comment down what other stuff you want to see in this channel, and you know, if this really helped you. And if you guys like are doing this with me, you guys should post it and tag me on Instagram at Toasties, same thing as my YouTube. And yeah, let me just move this so it's like pretty straight. Bam, there she is. And all its glory. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!